Jamaica. Yo. So, this is the lab that created the coronavirus. And this is the logo from Resident Evil lab. From the movie Resident Evil. Alright. So, this I lab in China and this are from Resident Evil. Alright, let's get to that later. Nearly 400 dead. Thousands in critical condition, 56 million people quarantined, and this has been called a grand experiment. And just to note, not everyone in that 56 million has the disease or show any signs of it. There's this official who worked with the SARS case. He called this a grand experiment because there are 56 million people in a one zone where you have the disease spreading. Also, to note that the 7 doctors who made the declaration that the disease has been released and is spreading has been arrested by the Chinese government under their portion of so-called Illuminati elites. I asked this before moving any further. Do you ever read anything about entertainment and realize the movies are making Hollywood you get shown in other countries before even America? Weird, right? Yeah? Not so weird. When you understand that this is how these demon elites communicate with each other. As to the next phase of the plan, let's look at Avengers for a bit, okay?
Children born have known nothing but full bellies and clear skies. It's a paradise.
Because you murdered half the planet.
A small price to pay for salvation.
You're insane.
Little one, it's a simple calculus. This universe is finite, its resources finite. If life is left unchecked, life will cease to exist. It needs correction.
You don't know that!
I'm the only one who knows that. At least I'm the only one with the will to act on it.
Okay? Alright. So basically them tell us that them wanna go kill you. And those who are alive will be fighting against the Antichrist, and these people behind this agenda are be the worst type of slave for them. But how much do you know? You already think the system is real. So will you be able to stand up against such a grand deception? That's if you're alive. But most of you won't be. Just another. Continue live like the scientists them tell you. Don't worry, we have billions of years till things get bad. funny stuff. So along with Facebook and Google, there's a fight for information. The fight for information that is being sent out to the public. They want you to die while you are still running back and forth in their system, still trying to make that money. Still following celebrities, wishing you were them, still following what the money they gives you. This is how you should eat, live, have sex, raise a family, worship, just gain knowledge. Who's smart, who's dumb, who's an enemy, who's a friend, what to eat, what to drink. If you ignore all that, the whole human population just a pluck that. And no one works for these people. No one follows them or get engaged with their system. What do you think would happen? Would you suffer? Would we suffer? No, they would suffer more than we. There are just a few of them, and many of us, but only a few of us with any intelligence. So along with Facebook and Google and YouTube, them a fight any outside information. So if you see this or hear this, you have been guided. So them company here, them a fight the information based on the coronavirus, and these people are the real world umbrella corporation from Raccoon City. This virus was spread from one point to reach the world. So look at the logo of the biolab where the virus was created, and look at the one from Resident Evil's biolab. It's so funny. There's way more coming, more virus, heavier strain, more unnatural events I created, earthquakes, floods, tsunamis, drought, and the false climate change from the ARC project. The goal, how much we the elites can take out to get to the golden number of 500 million. That's why social media is so important. It gives them a census of the population globally. Anyone knows of the Georgia Guidestones? Do some research, people. This is just a coffee break, this portion of life. It's just a quarter of your true life. You're going to be questioned, punished, or granted peace based on the life you live. No one will be there with you after transitional death. Just you and the angels, them tasked with questioning you, those in charge of your punishment and your deeds, good or bad. Each one has its appearance. So play with this life. You think you know. You think you know if you live. You pay so much to be educated, but you will die dunce. When you're gonna say, alright. When you're gonna say, alright. The true creator of everything, and all creation, and everything seen and unseen in existence. Please, may I beg you, please guide me and allow me to see and live my life as I should. And I apologize if I ever put any partners with you. It's only what I've been taught. Forgive me and please guide me. Do that. Do that for yourself. It will help. Even the prophets themselves are going to be in a state of uneasiness. Your creator don't play. So for all those who say this person or idol or image is going to beg for me, I was worshipping it besides the supreme creator who never gave such an order. But men made it seem so. I'm sorry for you. I'm even sorry for myself because I'm on a different level of fighting. And I hope by his help, the creator, I'm successful at that. No, sir. And it's great to know who the creator is. Jamaica. Yo.